Greetings everyone! Today I will show you how to merge two units in Total War Warhammer 3. So for merging them, they need to be damaged, like for example this swordsman. And you want to do this when you don't want to pay reroll upkeep for a unit that is just 44 men, not 112, 20, yeah. So you will select the two units that you want to merge and click merge button. And now, as you can see, we have only one unit, but we have more men in this one. So it's much cheaper to maintain because it's not 200 but 100, and you have unit that will recover really fast. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you later. Bye.